So what you're going to do is go to Window, Workspaces, down to Color. It's going to be the Basic Correction tab, Saturation, and just bring that all the way down. And just like that, you have a black and white image. It's that easy. I mean, that's how you do it. It's literally easy. I mean, if you want, you can mess with the bozo and stuff to get a better lighting, depending on what you're looking for. You mess with the lighting to get more of what you're looking for your image. Like, I mean, this looks good right here. So yeah, it's literally that easy. So now you can have an old style movie. So yep, that's how you do it. Click the like button, click the sub button for more. Yeah, it's really easy. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.